AI's capabilities are skyrocketing, automating tasks from manufacturing to even some aspects of creative writing. Yet, amidst this digital revolution, certain jobs stand resilient, grounded in qualities uniquely human. First on our list is healthcare. While AI can diagnose and analyze, the compassionate care provided by nurses, therapists, and doctors remains irreplaceable. Their empathy, intuition, and ability to connect with patients on a personal level safeguard their roles. Education thrives on personal interaction. Teachers inspire, mentor, and adapt to each student's unique learning style, something AI struggles to replicate. Their role in fostering critical thinking and creativity keeps them ahead of AI. In the legal realm, lawyers' jobs are secure due to the complexity of human law, requiring negotiation, persuasion, and ethical judgment, skills yet to be mastered by AI. The arts remain a domain profoundly human. Artists convey emotions, tell stories, and create works that resonate on a deeply personal level, a feat AI cannot duplicate with genuine empathy. Skilled trades, such as electricians, plumbers, and carpenters, rely on manual dexterity and problem-solving in environments unpredictable to AI, ensuring their demand persists. As AI continues to evolve, the future of work will undoubtedly transform. Yet, jobs rooted in empathy, creativity, complex problem-solving, and physical skills remain firmly in human hands. What are your thoughts on the future of work and AI? Join the discussion below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.